ki khubor na ka shlem jong nong san Hima.
Ka Jingbymlah ban Siew ya ku Tulop jong kinong tray Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council da kisnem kawan ra ka jing ya ka Sorkar MDA bat barok kinong tray ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ki aban yo ya ka jubab balano kin sayo ya ku Tulop ka jongki hane ka sngi kala don ka jingelang ban ya keren sani Phah Haba Ïadei bat ka ni ka kam ha ka bala yisib menta da menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat sangma UCM bat deputy CM ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka Finance Department bat Chief Secretary jong ka Sorkar jela habai karan bat ginong tho khubor hadin ka jingelang menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat sangma ulayathu bak Sorkar kan ya chakmat ban ai jingkershan kat ka bala ha ka ba nakaliang jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kidang penkre yak Shithi mat da ka ba pejbnia ya kani ka Shithi kitnat jong ka Sorkar jela kin sa siem ya karai Haba Ïadei bat ki jingsha khang lenti ki kali ki bami na ka office jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council na ka leng menteri rang ba ka jela ulaong bakat kum ki jingyo jingtip jong u ki don ki paj ba ki bayalum bat kani ka kali ka persang banyat bat kalakum tengkho ka balawan ra ru ya ki jingbom ya snau thu jingmot ulaong ru maya menta umpat la ban ong namar udang ap ya ka kai pot na ki pulen shu ulaong ru balada kinong tray kidon kino kimat kibaki kwa ban pensno kidai ban pentip cha ka council lani syak Sorkar jela hanrai kimla ban pensenge ya ka jingya jong ka jing tray ha kani ka jaka.
Yes, so we had a detailed discussion and the CEM, deputy CEM, the senior officials from the district council and members from the State Finance Department, Legal Department and District Council Affairs and Chief Secretary were there. We discussed about the current situation that's prevailing in the District Council and we have decided that we will move forward in giving them financial support in whatever way possible. So they are preparing the letters now and sending those letters to us, and based on that the different departments will take the decision. So we'll wait for the letters and then we'll see. But we were updated about the overall situation there, and we realized that we have to move things forward, and the certain commitments that have been given by the GHADC to its employees, they want to fulfill those commitments. So those matters were discussed, but at this point in time I also would like to appeal to the employees of the district council. I know there's a lot of discussion and pressure. Members are mentioning that the government, state government must clear the salaries of the council, but I hope all understand that council is an autonomous body and entire financials are independent. So it is not linked directly and with the state government. Therefore the council will have to resolve these issues, but we are there to support them. But at this point in time, what is important is the employees and the EC and the council has to work together. There's a new EC, new people have come in, so therefore this is a good opportunity to really change things and find a solution. So therefore I would like to urge and appeal to the employees of the district council that they should be positive in this entire situation. The new EC is working very hard to find a solution to this, but if the support is not there, if the staff doesn't join, then how will the files and how will the paperwork move? So all these matters were discussed, and I am also using this platform now through the media to appeal to them that give an opportunity so that they can find a solution. This council and this EC has been newly elected, and I'm sure that with the support of everybody, we will be able to find solutions to the problems that the district council is facing. About that, how this sequence of events took place, but from whatever information that has come to me, there was a crowd and the vehicle was trying to move, and in the process when the crowd was there, the vehicle did hit some individuals, and that's how this entire misunderstanding took place. But I will not be able to completely certify this story that has come to me because I have not got the official report from the SP of Tura. But again, as I said, these kind of incidents can be avoided. We are not saying that people who have any kind of issues that are there, please, you can make your issues known to the council and the government, but you should not stop the work from taking place. There are people who would like to work, and if you have any issues, if you want to show your stand against the district council or whatever, then there's a time and place where you can do that. But stopping the working of the council is not the way. The council must work. It's only by working we'll be able to find a solution to this. If this continues like that, then it indicates that there is a different purpose to stopping the work and trying to find out different reasons to stop this. There has to be a positive mindset in this whole thing. There should not be any kind of a negativity or any kind of politics that should come into this. There's a need to come together and find a solution. Therefore, I once again urge the employees that let's work together and find a solution to this problem.